So what do you do on a cold Saturday winter day? Get in the hot tub and you have a nice cigar with your buddies.
A little beer, a little cigar, nice and quiet, some tunes. Oh yeah.
Can't beat that.
So yesterday we were talking about attempting to take the stairs apart and fix the stairs, but instead we decided to rip apart the sink, and we installed a new kitchen upstairs in the shop, and we messed around all day retrofitting the plumbing. So the shop is a disaster right now as we have to tear down walls and bust open ceilings and stuff just to get this plumbing through. Plumbing done. Painting done. Workbench done. Alright, so I picked up the paint and voila! There you go, there's the, I guess the workshop, storage area, and that for all the gear is all painted, so the floor is nice and clean now, so I can reorganize everything and make it all nice and clean, and it should look great. So that's it for tonight. I'm out of here. It's a long day. Time to get home. I got an early morning tomorrow. Going back to the TV show In the Dark. Going to go help them and de-rig some of the sound stages they got going on there. So I'll get you some footage from In the Dark down at the 777 Kipling Avenue Studios. Peace.